Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 1919. Number 1919 is a mix of the energies and traits of the number 1 and the number 9. Both of these numbers show up twice, which makes their effects stronger. Number 1 is about being creative and taking charge, starting over, being self-reliant and determined, moving forward, being independent, being unique, being organized, achieving goals, and being happy. Number 1 also reminds us that our beliefs, thoughts, and actions make up our own worlds. Number 9 is connected to light work and helping others, being of service to others, being a leader and setting a good example for others, being kind and generous, self-sacrifice and selflessness, and endings and conclusions. The number 9 is also connected to the universal spiritual laws, destiny, and the idea of karma, which is the spiritual law of karma. Angel number 1919 could mean that some parts of your life are coming to an end, or that an important phase or cycle is ending. Believe that this is happening for very important karmic reasons that will become clear very soon. This is getting you ready to start a great new life and way of living that will make everything work out for you in the best ways. These endings are making room for you to fully follow your soul's calling for your life's purpose. Trust that the angels and universal energies will give you all the information, direction, and help you need on your path. Angel number 1919 is a sign from your angels that a cycle or phase is ending and something new is about to start. Don't think of these endings as losses, but rather as the start of something new, a chance, or an adventure. Your angels want you to stay positive and focused as the universe brings you into perfect alignment with your life purpose and soul mission. Let your connection and communication with your angels open you up to new and unexplored knowledge and wisdom, as well as good ways to help people and make the world a better place. If you've been hearing the call to pursue a heart-based project, spiritual practice, career, or profession, angel number 191 the 9th of May mean that now is the best time to follow your passion and take action. Angel number 1919 is a sign for light workers to get to work and shine their lights to show others the way. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.